Hi, in this video I'm going to explain about template, what is it and how to use it. First, template is a design that can be used for generating your visual. How to create your template? On your home page you can see all your templates here in the all templates section on the left side here. All your templates will be listed here. And if you wanted to create here I have one existing template, but if you don't have one and wanted to create one, you can click the create template button here. I'm going to click this. Here you can choose the type, currently only one image or video overlay, and you can choose the size. We have Instagram post, Facebook, or you can customize the size. I'm going to choose Instagram post. After that, you can choose whether to create a blank template, which is an empty template, and you can customize it, or a template, predefined templates from us. Okay. Here are some predefined templates that you can choose. I'm going to choose this one. Okay, after this, your template will be created and you will be redirected to the editor where you can modify your template. Okay, this is the editor. On the top part, this is the last time this template was saved. This is the template name where you can modify it. I'm gonna change to maybe fashion collection. This is the save button, and this is the generate button if you wanted to start generate the image. Okay, there are some options to how to generate the image. Okay, more details on other videos for that. Okay, for the left part here, you can see there are shapes, image, progress, text. These are actually the elements that you can put into your template. For example, shapes, you can the element you can just drag or click, and it will be in your template. You can see here. I click. Okay. For example, I wanted to add maybe rating here, maybe here, and on the right side here, there are options and elements. Elements here is the list of elements in the template. You can see there's progress here, text 1, rectangle 1, it's the button, title, text 1, image 1. Okay, and it is actually based on the order, where you can see this one, the rectangle. If I put on the top, it will be okay. Yeah. On the options itself, if you don't select any of the element, it will show only background, the base background of the editor. Let's see, it is the base background of the editor. But if you wanted to modify each element, you can click the element, focus on it. It will create a rectangle on it, and you can see, for example, the text here, it will appear. The position, the text effect, background. For the image, it will appear the image URL where you can change it, the resize type, whether it is locked, the ratio is locked. Okay, but I wanted to highlight the most important part in the template is the editable and title. Why it is important? Because editable meaning the element is dynamic, meaning you can modify the element whether later in when you generate the image, whether in API form share URL or integration, meaning this element, if it is editable, it can be changed. For the title itself, this is actually important also because this should be unique and it will become an identifier later for the element itself. For example, this one text one, it will be later on when you generate the image, it will be identified as text one, and this one progress one. This image will be image one, and you can modify it also, the name. But every element title should not be the same. Okay. After that, there is also a feature called variant. At the bottom here, you can see you can add more than one variant. I wanted to add Instagram story. I wanted to change the name to story. Okay. On here you can see the template I showed you before is named my variant, and the new one is story. So you can add actually more than one variant in a template, and it can be a different size, or it can be a different page. It is actually up to you to modify your own variant. Okay. After, for example, if you finish modifying your template and you're ready to generate the image, you can just click the generate image, or there is a button also in the home page here, edit or generate. Okay, so this is our new template that we just created. Okay, I think that is all for template video. Thank you.